Let's make liquid soap, guys, with these four chemicals: sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium sulfate, color and fragrance. So our sodium lauryl sulfate is 500 grams, that's SLS, 500 grams. Our sodium sulfate is 250 grams. Sodium sulfate 250 grams. Then in a bowl, add 1 liter of water and add your sodium sulfate. Allow it to dissolve and keep aside. In another bowl, add 2 liters of water inside your SLS. Allow it to dissolve as well. So you're adding 2 liters of water inside your SLS. You stir and keep aside to dissolve. After 45 minutes, you bring them out. So this is our SLS. These are SLS. You use your spatula to stir it a bit. You stir it, stir. Then these are sodium sulfate that has already dissolved. We'll now add the sodium sulfate inside the already dissolved SLS. And we now stir. You give it a very good stir. Give it a very good stir. Give it a very good stir. Give it a very, very vigorous, good stir. As you can see now, our soap has already thickened up. So it has thickened up. So that is it. It has thickened up. The soap has thickened up. So you give it a very good stir. You continue stirring. After that, after 24 hours, this is how our soap looks. It's already clear. It's already looking very clear. Can you see how transparent the soap looks? So after now, you can then add in your color, your already dissolved color. You dissolve your color in water and you add a bit. You can add the color as desired. Then decide to add a little bit or use everything. After adding your color, you stir it, you stir. So I was not satisfied with the amount of color I added, so I added more. So I'm now stirring my mixture. I'm stirring my soup. I'm giving it a very good stir. Now I need to add my fragrance. Yeah, this is me adding in my fragrance. So after adding the fragrance, I'll give it another stir and keep it aside to clear out. So this is what our soap looks like. This is what the soap looks like. So after 24 hours, our soap will be ready for use. So this is our soap. I've already put it in my container. Already packaged the soap. Can you see how transparent it looks? This is our liquid soap, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.